Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could.
Previously on Maddie's Glam Life, I shared with you all the perfect drink for losing inches off of your waist fast. If you are interested in burning off some extra inches, then definitely make sure that you check out this video. It is so amazing for the body and will help to improve all of those curves. And let's get right into today's video. Today I will be sharing with you all how I make my strawberry banana maca root smoothie. You guys, this smoothie tastes absolutely amazing, and it will also have you on your way to getting beautiful curves in no time. Previously, I made a video on maca root and all the benefits of maca root and sharing with you guys my before and after, which I will also share with you guys at the end of this video, and this smoothie has helped me along the way. For those of y'all that do not know, maca root does not taste that good. So this smoothie helps to kind of conceal the taste of maca root while you are still getting it in your body and still getting all the benefits of it. Let me share with you guys exactly how to make it. So today I'm going to be using my Ninja blender, which is a go-to each and every single time that I make a smoothie or a shake. Check it out down below, you guys. And I'm going to be using my 1 cup measurer on today. I will be using this pretty much throughout the whole entire video. So if you have one, make sure that you pull it out. And I'm pulling out some frozen bananas. Now these were some bananas that were cut up a while back, and I just froze them in the freezer just to keep them nice and fresh. I'm taking about 1 cup of frozen bananas, and I'm going to add this into my blender. Next, I'm taking some sliced strawberries, and I just picked these up from the store. I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of these as well. And I love using frozen fruit because it makes the process a lot easier for me. I don't have to use ice, and I also don't have to cut up fruit at that moment. So you guys can use fresh fruit or frozen fruit, but keep in mind that you do need an ice component, okay? Now moving along, I'm going to be using some almond milk. Now I will be applying 1 cup of this into my blender. You could use almond milk or pretty much any milk of your choice. This is unsweetened almond milk. Now I did end up adding some stevia to this smoothie, which you all won't see in this video, but it is an all natural sweetener. It has 0 calories, you guys. Make sure that you check it out down below because it definitely helped to add an extra kick to this smoothie. And it made it taste absolutely phenomenal because fruit doesn't typically have much flavor if you guys are not aware. And everything will be listed down below for you guys. Make sure that you check out the description box as well to watch my previous video on maca root and all of its benefits for improving your breast and also your bum. Moving along, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now this is optional, you guys, but I wanted it for an extra kick in flavor. And I'm going to apply my top on my blender and simply blend it up, you guys. Now, you guys, this blender is extremely loud, but it gets the job done. It blends everything together so seamlessly. And you guys, the color of this was absolutely beautiful. I don't know why I found myself mesmerized with the color of this smoothie, but it was beautiful.
Is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen,
And it was a little bit messy getting it into my cup, but nonetheless I got it in there. And you guys, as I'm editing this video, I just finished drinking up my smoothie. It was absolutely amazing, and I feel so good and so energetic after having it. And as you guys know, that is one of the benefits of maca root. It gives you amazing energy, you guys. So I have to say that this is a 10 out of 10 would recommend in terms of smoothies.
I bet the ocean.
Now today I will be using this straw here from Amazon, and it helps with saving the planet, you guys. This also made the process of drinking my smoothie a lot easier because, as you all know, smoothies are quite thick and it can be hard for them to get through the straw. So this is a thicker straw and it makes the process a lot easier. So this was amazing. This smoothie was absolutely yummy. Let me know down below if you guys will be trying it out. I would love to know. And I will also have all of my ingredients listed down below, as well as for all the things that I bought from Amazon or offline. So make sure that you guys check out everything and also leave your girl some stars down below.